Hi everyone, Kelly Savage here, and we're at the Benchmark Construction LLC new build just east of Columbus over there, not too far past the high school and all that. But as you can see, in comparison to our first video, this one's looking a little more established, so to speak. But we are pouring the creek today. All hands on deck. I love that crane. Look at that little crane there. It's going to shoot out a bunch of concrete into the footings here. And by the way, folks, that is what they're doing. They're putting down the footing. This will be a crawl space, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. It's going to be a beautiful home. Oh goodness, it's gorgeous. Love the layout. But this is where we were standing actually when they were digging up the dirt. But as you can see, folks, we're in a different spot now. A lot of weight in those 2 cement trucks over there, that's for sure. But I'm hoping to maybe get a little video here of watching them shoot. But yeah, where we go from here pretty much is, like I said, this is a crawl space. They'll end up pouring down the foundation, the footings and all that. Let that set up. And by the way, weather perfect today. I think we're talking about, we may hit 70 degrees. But that sun is shining, the skies are blue. It's looking gorgeous out. But yeah, folks, last time I was standing over in this little area, we were just digging out the dirt. Now we're pouring some crete. I'll come up here one more time. I want you to see, actually I'll come around this side. And then what we'll do here, got to be careful, again, on every construction site. We all got to communicate and make sure we're hand signals and all that. But again, what started out as just a hole in the ground is taking form now. And as you can see, we got rebar. That's the bar that goes in there that gives it stability, structure, strength, so to speak. These guys are getting dirty, making this happen. But you look at it now, we got the forms up there too. And as you can see, we got pads. Again, and essentially this thing will just start pouring the concrete right into them chutes right over here. I'll show you an example of after it's done. You can probably kind of see where I'm going now. That's the front door, by the way, over there. Oh, that over there with the gentleman with the red shirt, orange shirt, that is actually the garage. I apologize, folks. It's more or less just a hump with a kind of a moat around it right now. But this is where it happens, and as you can see, the rebar's in there, the concrete itself. We pour it in, and it'll go right around this whole foundation, the footing, and then I believe the next step will be laying out the framework, getting the lumber and such. But yeah, we're going to be here every step of the way, folks. I know a lot of people, including myself, you know, I'm always curious about the way they do things, processes and stuff. And oh shoot, they're getting ready to shoot some concrete. I'm going to look, see if you guys can see it. See how it zooms in there? Let me see if I can get a little better angle of it. Hey, it worked. You see them? It's neat stuff. And once they do that, they'll come back, finish it like this. Looks like they're starting on that garage part over there. But yeah, folks, Benchmark Construction LLC. We are here for you. If you'd like us to maybe bring your dream home to reality, make sure you give us a call. Anytime, folks, by the way. Feel free to reach out to us. Maybe even in this video, leave something in the comments, feedback, or questions about the process. But we are here to help. And nothing says quality more than Benchmark Construction LLC. We're getting it done on a beautiful Wednesday, just east of Columbus. Folks, don't be strangers. If you have a dream, let's make it true. It's going to be a beautiful home. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you soon in the next video. Till then, make it a good day. Bye.